Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. I'm super excited to be here because I'm traveling with my truck. As you saw, I just finished backcountry skiing at Montagne Saint-Pierre. I think it was my best experience skiing. The conditions were just insane. I loved it so much. Right now it's still sunny outside. It's 4 o'clock and we have about 1 to 2 hours of sunlight left. I want to hit the road, so tomorrow I have less travel to do. So let's go. So to go to my next point, it's 2 hours and 36 minutes. It says I'm gonna arrive there at 6:43. So we'll see how the road goes. And since I left, oh shit, I I did 666 kilometers. Dirt roads! Woohoo! Wow! I'm gonna try to find a sleeping spot tonight in front of the St. Lawrence River, like yesterday night. I'm gonna try, but it's hard. A lot of the municipal camping and parking spots are closed during the winter. So a little update for the road. I did about 1 hour and a half. I can't wait to get back on the road tomorrow. I have 1 hour to get where I want in Gaspésie National Park. It's gonna be so nice. I didn't want to push it tonight and cover a lot of road because I want to travel by day a little too, so I can see the scenery because it's so beautiful. Now I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna make pizza. So I'm gonna use naan bread for the base of the pizza. I'm gonna add some mushrooms, onions, Valentina, pizza sauce, veggie ground beef, yeah. And the healthy part is gonna be chickpeas with some lentils that I've already cooked at home, and some cheese. So let's try to make a pizza in this camper van. So first thing first, the pizza sauce. I'm gonna add the onions, the mushrooms, a little bit more of the pizza sauce on top. It's good to go. By the way, I had to remove this part because it will not enter the bowl. I'm gonna put it very low because I don't want it to burn. Let's see if it's gonna work. Fingers crossed. Van life isn't perfect. Look at that. It's all tossed up in the corner, but I can travel for cheap, and that's the goal. I wanted to check the pizza and it's burning. No! I just put an empty little plate just to make a space between them so the fire is not directly touching this one. We'll see how it goes. I think it's pretty good right now. The cheese won't melt because it's fake cheese, but yeah, I think it's good. So I'm gonna put this one in the plate and put the other one in. It looks so good. And I'm gonna put Valentina. Mexican hot sauce, my favorite. I put it everywhere. It's good, and the crust is good. It's not that burnt. I'm gonna give it a 10 on 10 for the setup that I have to make pizza, so it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna watch a little episode on Netflix. Even though I don't have any cell signals, I downloaded some on my cell phone, so it's pretty nice. I really hope that tomorrow is gonna be a sunny day, because yesterday it was very cloudy. Today was sunny and cloudy majority of the time, but tomorrow I hope to have a good sunny day. Good morning, guys. Another successful night without any knocks in the windows. Oh, it was a good night, not that cold. I just removed my insulation panel and there's no ice on the windows. I don't know if it's because it's not that cold, or I open both windows a little bit more and it's windier up here, but yeah, it's good. I think it's a cloudy day, but it's early in the morning, so maybe it will change. Let's make breakfast. By the way, guys, that's where I camped last night. And behind me, it's the St. Lawrence River. So I can't wait to go check it out this morning. There were 2 houses there. And yeah, there were a lot of houses. I didn't saw them yesterday night, but yeah, I made it through the night. Timmy's coffee. Guys, it's crazy that in this little amount of space, I keep losing things. It's incredible. Imagine at home, I'm a mess. So I was searching for that clamp to take out the hot bowl for about 15 minutes, and I just noticed that it's hiding here. Oh my god. And by the way, I ran out of battery for my carbon monoxide alarm. In the night it kept putting a little sound and it said low battery here, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Let's not put some water everywhere. Okay, that's good. Oh no. I love that mug. For traveling, it's the best. I can make my coffee and go on the road and I still have it. And guys, sorry for the mic quality on this camera, because my other camera is charging. Not charging, I'm putting files into the computer and I'm having a little bit problems because there's there's not enough disk storage, so yeah, I'm having a hard time. So sorry about the noise on this camera. It's pretty windy today. It's pretty cloudy. No sun. No sunny day. I camped just on the other side of that snow pile. I'm gonna hit the road now. So guys, I really wanted to see the beautiful view of the St. Lawrence River because we're beside it, but I won't get much view today because I didn't know, but we're having a snowstorm. So yeah, next time or maybe a little bit further in the trip we're gonna be able to see it, but for today, no view. We're now in Gaspésie National Park. Woohoo! Okay, so guys, as you saw, I decided to go for a hike today because the conditions are a little bit too much. The visibility is very minimal, so I didn't want to go at 700 to 800 meters of altitude in ski alone because it can get very dangerous. I don't want to get buried in snow and found dead 3 or 4 days later, you know. So I opted for the security, you know. It's a bummer. I really wanted to go, but I feel going there alone, it's not the best choice. Here it's another game. It's very dangerous. Guys, I'm nearly at the top. I can't imagine the view without the clouds and the wind. There's just something about being in nature, being surrounded by mountains like this. It's a big feeling. Nature is just making you small, real small. Oof, it's breathtaking. I don't know how it's gonna show up in the video, but whew, can't imagine without the cloud. I made it to the top! Woo! Bon appétit! That hike felt so good. In total, I think it was 11 kilometers. I'm in the national park, so I can't stay here for the night. I'm gonna have to go to my next destination. It's around 1 hour and a half, so I'm gonna hit the road. Guys, I found a spot for tonight. Woo! I don't know if you can see, but that's a big mountain. So I'm gonna wake up to a beautiful view. That's the little town. It's Murdochville. So I'm a little bit above. That's very nice, but it's so windy. So yeah, I really don't think I'm gonna have a problem here. There's nobody. Up here the wind is crazy. I closed a little bit more. I can feel the car shake. So I closed a little bit more of the window than normal because the draft were just coming in like crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very tired. Those 2 days of ski and 1 day hike plus the road, oof, it's a lot. So I'm only gonna make some soup that's already pre-made, and I'm gonna add rice in it for some more consistency. It's a mix of rice and quinoa. The wind is crazy. This little town looks so nice. It's like it's very little. It's in the center of all the mountains. Can't wait to check it out tomorrow, because when I arrive at night I can't see shit. So yeah. Oh my god, the truck is literally moving. It's crazy. I'm sure I'm gonna wake up in the night for sure. I'm gonna sleep like this, you know. It's ready. Time to eat. It's really basic, but it does the job. I think it's missing some spiciness to it. Dum, dum, dum. That's literally my ketchup. Finishing the day with some Netflix. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here for the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Be safe exploring.